1. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $7,500. Located in Smithfield, Kentucky. This 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D is a solid third-generation American muscle car, offering upgraded performance and classic 80s styling. Under the hood sits a powerful 350 cubic inch GM crate engine rated at 330 horsepower, with approximately 40,000 miles on the engine. The seller retains the original paperwork for the crate motor, reflecting proper documentation and careful ownership. Regular oil changes have been performed, and a new radiator ensures the engine runs cool even in extremely hot weather conditions. The car is equipped with Hooker ceramic-coated headers and a stainless heartthrob exhaust system, delivering an aggressive and impressive sound. The vehicle shows 78,000 miles on the chassis and features an automatic transmission. The steering remains tight, providing confident handling on the road. Finished in silver with a red interior, this Camaro presents a striking factory color combination that highlights its sporty character. It has had 2 owners, carries a clean title, and is fully paid off with no significant mechanical problems reported. While it does require body and paint work, it runs strong and drives well. This Z28 represents a great opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a mechanically sound project with upgraded power and classic muscle appeal ready to be enjoyed or further restored. 2. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price, $12,500. Located in Baldwin, Missouri. This 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D has undergone an extensive performance build, transforming it into a serious street and strip machine. Powered by a newly built 406 small block Chevrolet engine with only break-in miles, this Camaro delivers strong performance and impressive throttle response. The engine is paired with a new 700R4 automatic transmission, also with break-in miles only, ensuring smooth shifting and reliability. The car features a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears, providing aggressive acceleration. Supporting upgrades include a new suspension system and disc brakes on all 4 corners for improved handling and stopping power. It is also equipped with Phytech EFI, a digital dash, a B&M shifter, new lighting, updated speakers, and a 2-inch fiberglass cowl hood. Headers and a full exhaust system complete the performance package. The exterior was repainted a few years ago and has been garaged since. The vehicle shows minimal miles since the build, essentially only moving in and out of the garage. The interior needs cleaning and currently has no headliner, but the mechanical investment exceeds $20,000. This Camaro offers serious value for enthusiasts seeking a freshly built performance project. 3. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $23,000. Located in Jefferson City, Missouri. This 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a purpose-built drag and drive machine designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Under the hood sits a 383 cubic inch engine featuring a scat rotating assembly with Wisico pistons, built on a stock block and paired with 200 cubic centimeters Flowtech heads. A Lunati solid roller camshaft enhances power delivery, while the E85 carburetor with SpeedTech plate system and NX stand-alone fuel system support high-performance demands. The drivetrain includes a professionally built M&M Turbo 400 transmission and a Curry 9-inch rear end with 35 spline axles and 3.70 gears housed in an aluminum center section. Additional upgrades include a Spawn crossmember and torque arm rear bars for improved stability under hard launches. The car carries a current 8.50 certification and up-to-date safety belts, along with a quick detach parachute for track use. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Camaro maintains a clean title and shows no significant issues. Built for drag and drive events, it is ready to compete or cruise, offering serious horsepower and race-ready components throughout. 4. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $48,900. Located in St. Louis, Missouri. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a stunning Z28 tribute finished in fresh silver base, clear paint accented by bold black Z28 stripes. Under the hood sits a fresh 454 big block engine equipped with a Summit Racing EFI carburetor system and an electric fuel pump mounted in the gas tank. Cooling is managed by an upgraded aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Power is delivered through a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a 2600 stall converter and a 12-bolt rear and featuring 3.31 Posey gears. Frame supports have been installed to enhance structural rigidity and performance durability. The black interior includes bucket seats, rear bench seating, a center console, wood grain dash inserts, analog gauges, and an AM/FM custom sound stereo system with Fosgate rear speakers. Numerous new chrome exterior components add shine and detail. Riding on matching Cooper Cobra radial tires, this Camaro runs and drives great, offering classic muscle styling combined with big block performance. 5. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 25th Anniversary. Price: $18,000. Located in Monmouth, Illinois. This 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 25th Anniversary Edition is a rare and desirable example finished in the distinctive purple haze exterior color. As a special anniversary model, it represents an important milestone in Camaro history while maintaining the aggressive styling that defined early 90s performance cars. Equipped with factory T-tops, this Camaro offers an open-air driving experience that enhances both cruising enjoyment and collector appeal. Powered by a reliable 305 cubic inch V8 engine with approximately 85,000 miles, the car has been well maintained and cared for by its two owners. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it a comfortable and dependable street car. The gray interior complements the bold exterior color and reflects careful ownership over the years. This vehicle is fully paid off and presents as a solid driver with no major issues reported. The 25th anniversary badging and rare color combination make it stand out among other third-generation Camaros. Ideal for enthusiasts seeking a clean and increasingly collectible example, this Z28 offers originality, style, and strong value in today's classic muscle market. 6. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $9,000. Located in Vichy, Missouri. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a strong-running classic equipped with a crate 350 small block engine paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit. The drivetrain upgrade provides dependable power delivery and improved shift response, making it a fun and responsive street car. Documentation for both the engine and transmission is available, reflecting proper installation and ownership care. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this Camaro maintains a cohesive and classic appearance that captures the spirit of early 80s American muscle. The vehicle shows approximately 50,000 miles and carries a clean title with no significant mechanical problems reported. Brand new tires have been installed, ensuring confident road manners and improved safety. The interior has also been recently updated with new components, giving the cabin a refreshed and comfortable feel. This Camaro represents a solid opportunity for buyers seeking a turnkey classic with upgraded power and documented components. With its strong small block performance and clean presentation, it offers both driving enjoyment and long-term enthusiast appeal. 7. 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price: $4,000. Located in Palmyra, Missouri. This 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D is a fourth-generation performance icon equipped with the legendary LT1 V8 engine paired to a T56 6-speed manual transmission. Delivering strong factory horsepower and classic 90s muscle character, this Camaro offers an engaging driving experience with precise control through its manual gearbox. The car features 4.10 rear gears, enhancing acceleration and making it a responsive street performer. With approximately 103,000 miles, this Z28 runs and drives, making it a solid foundation for an enthusiast project or budget performance build. A new clutch has been installed, adding reliability to the drivetrain. The second gear synchro needs attention as it currently grinds, though second gear remains functional. The air conditioning system is not operational at this time. Finished in white, the exterior presents classic Z28 styling with aggressive lines and unmistakable Camaro presence. This vehicle represents an affordable entry into V8-powered American muscle with strong upgrade potential. Ideal for someone willing to address minor mechanical needs, this Camaro delivers performance value and the raw character that defines mid-90s Chevrolet engineering. 8. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $10,000. Located in Union, Missouri. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D captures the bold styling of the late 70s muscle era with its distinctive front end and sleek body lines. Showing 65,772 miles, this Camaro is powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth cruising and classic American performance. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the car maintains a cohesive and period-correct appearance that reflects the design trends of its time. The clean title and absence of significant damage or mechanical problems make this example a solid candidate for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a reliable driver-quality classic. The body lines remain strong, and the vehicle presents as a well-kept example of the second-generation Camaro platform. Whether used for weekend cruises, local shows, or as a foundation for mild performance upgrades, this 1978 Camaro offers timeless styling and straightforward ownership. Serious inquiries are encouraged for those looking to add an authentic late 70s Chevrolet muscle car to their collection. 9. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $17,500. Located in Grauau Mills, Missouri. This 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D represents the beginning of the second-generation Camaro platform, known for its refined body design and improved handling characteristics. Powered by a 350 cubic inch engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, this Camaro delivers dependable small block performance suitable for both cruising and light performance driving. The drivetrain is supported by a 10-bolt rear end equipped with 3.23 gears, providing a balanced combination of acceleration and highway comfort. The trunk area is clean, and the underside of the vehicle shows solid condition. The doors open and close smoothly with no sag, reflecting good structural integrity. Originally equipped with a vinyl top, the roof remains solid with no pinholes, demonstrating careful preservation over time. Finished in gold with a black interior, this Camaro maintains a classic and tasteful color combination. With low indicated miles since build updates, this 1970 model stands as a strong foundation for restoration, customization, or continued enjoyment as a clean vintage muscle car. 10. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000. Located in St. Louis, Missouri. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D is a highly desirable first-generation muscle car that represents the peak of late 60s American performance styling. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a black interior, this Camaro carries the unmistakable presence that made the 1969 model year one of the most iconic in automotive history. The vehicle shows approximately 55,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It is currently offered as a roller, though it can be purchased with full electronics or as a turnkey setup, depending on buyer preference. The car features a 12-bolt rear end configured for a small block engine and power glide transmission combination, making it an excellent foundation for street strip, gasser, hot rod, or drag car builds. All lights are reported to be working, and the vehicle includes a headliner and carpet installed. The body presents well and offers strong potential whether restored to factory SS specifications or customized into a performance-oriented build. With its clean classic lines and solid platform, this 1969 Camaro SS provides an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a versatile and valuable first-generation project with strong long-term appeal. 11. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $8,500. Located in Bixby, Oklahoma. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D is a performance-focused build with serious mechanical upgrades, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a strong street or strip foundation. Equipped with a 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, this build features forged internals, dome pistons, 10.5 to 1 compression, Scorpion 1.5 roller rockers, Lunati solid roller camshaft, Lunati pop-up solid roller lifters, Speedmaster aluminum heads, and an MSD ignition system. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and PTC converter. The rear end has been rebuilt using Yukon components, including new axles, 3.73 gears, and a Posey carrier. Additional upgrades include new fuel tank, fuel lines, brake lines, rear disc brake conversion, new master cylinder and booster, painless wiring harness, new body bushings, suspension bushings, tie rod ends, pitman arm, steering gearbox, subframe connectors, and powder-coated frame. This T-Top Z28 can be sold as a roller or without wheels. The interior requires finishing with carpet and door panels, but the car is very straight and mechanically strong. It represents a solid high-performance project with extensive investment already completed.